For making mini refrigerator, firstly we have to take an empty box, then we have to cover it with colored paper. Then we have to paste thermocol inside the box with the required dimensions with the help of Fevicol. Paste these pieces on the upper side. And same dimensional piece of thermocol on the lower side of the box. Taking heatsink with fan, we have to apply glue on it. After applying glue, now we have to put 72-watt Peltier on it. After keeping 72-watt Peltier on it, we have to place mini heatsink on it. From back side, we have to cut the box so that the fan of the heatsink can get adjusted outside. Attaching the cooling fan outside, we will attach this fan with the plug. After we on the switch, the cooling fan starts rotating. As we have pasted thermocol pieces on the upper side and lower side, in the same way we have to paste the sideway pieces. Starts rotating, the cooler air starts coming inside with the help of Peltier module, and DC brushes of fan let the hot air go outside. Keep the bottle of normal water inside the fridge. As we put the normal water inside the refrigerator, after 3 or 4 hours, we observe the water droplets outside the bottle, and water would be very cold.